Guys, this is just life. You have got your fabulous camellia flower here. Then we have got the realness. I mean, guys, this is some serious freaking replicas, you know. You have your Chanel at the tip there, everything just screaming Chanel all the way. You need to be a very, you know, fashion Chanel connoisseur, a person that really understands fashion and he knows it's fake. But I'm telling you, some amazing dupes. These are from Dhgate. Okay, guys, Dhgate. And like I said, please subscribe. There's more videos coming up. I've got plenty of AliExpress as well. The AliExpress fashion high heels. I'm talking about the whole shebang. Juices. Chanel won't have sort of appealing stuff going on there. Yeah, so that gives away. Yeah. However, for those who don't know, it's Chanel. It's still Chanel. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are all doing fantastically well. Today I've got Dhgate. Very exciting, guys. I love Dhgate better than AliExpress. Yeah, so I've got a few bits and bobs I'd like to share with you that I purchased. I also have got AliExpress items. In fact, I have to make a video, about all these items I've been buying from AliExpress fashion. Guys, some amazing pieces. You want to subscribe to my channel to see me styling those items and see the things that I normally buy. So I'd like to think that you'd like to come back and see me again. Yeah, without further ado, let's start. First of all, guys, I partially opened his unboxing, but I was so curious to see if it would fit my daughter or not, because I find it very difficult to buy shoes from the Chinese side when it comes to children, because for the fourth time I got the wrong size for my daughter. It doesn't fit, but I just want to show you guys the quality of these items. So this is the Nike Nike air720s, right? I see everyone wearing it. I wanted to get a pair for myself as well, but I prioritized my daughter first of all. However, it's too small, but I have to say it looks legit, guys. I compared against the one my boyfriend has. He has got the gold one and he only wears legit stuff. I mean, I don't even like to tell him that. Sometimes I'm sneaky and I buy things from China. But it has got the full detailing of the product. Yeah. And, the air bubble, whatever you call it, is perfect. The markings are perfect. I don't know if you guys can see any flows. And also, it kind of has a reflective thingy in there as well. It's so nice. And has got these, and these from Dhgate. It took ages, and it has got the detail here as well. It took ages because of coronavirus. China. I purchased these, I think, March, and he literally just arrived a couple of days ago. This is the black ones. And also, one thing that I got really pissed off about, they sent me the wrong color. I wanted the aqua blue. I'm a big fan of blue, so like this sort of a color, that's what I wanted for my daughter, because she has got like a scooter, what do you call a speeder, and the wheels are this type of color, and I wanted to just make it look cute when she wears it and she's doing her thing. But they sent it's nice, I'm not gonna lie, but it's not the item that I wanted, the color. Okay, so that's that. And I think this was £29. See the marking at the bottom. Yeah. Okay, guys, I've got plenty stuff to show you guys, but it's just a matter of time. Let me So guys, I've got my amazing item. Well, I'm expecting to be amazing. I paid just over £98, so we're talking about like $100 something. But you know, as the title already shows, you know what it is. And I did get DHL because I didn't want to wait like for nearly a month to get them, especially when I spend over £100 or something like that. I just don't mind them because I calculate, you know, what's the point, like I'd just rather pay that little extra and get my items. So I have to say I'm very, very familiar and trained with the brand. So, and I know when something looks very off. I'm trying not to damage the box. Gosh, it's pop-up like they don't mess around when it comes to packaging or how they pack their stuff, do they? Very secure, very impressed so far. Looks like the box is intact. Oh, I don't want to damage the box because it looks so nice on display as well. So guys, I'm just at home chilling. I wasn't going to record anything, but I just been slacking. And guys, please subscribe. I mean, you know what I mean? Like, bloody hell. You know, this YouTube game is getting tougher and tougher and tougher. And, you know, I know you guys want to see relevant stuff, things that you guys like, and so do I, you know. But come on, guys, subscribe. It's for free. Okay? Okay, now that I'm looking all blonde, guys, comment below. Do you like this look? I'm not gonna lie, I've been getting a ton of compliments. But your compliment does matter too. Go on, sis, you can say something, comment below. And I hope this item will get you talking, get you subscribing. Alright? Let's see, let's see. And I've got so much stuff coming, guys. Oh, it's a bit damaged, just a little bit bent. But it feels steady. It feels like I know what it's supposed to feel like. Whew, I'm sweating. I don't know about you over there. I can smell glue. Okay. 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 None than Chanel, the Chanel. Chanel, the Chanel. Alright, guys. This is her. Let's open this teddy. It looks like that's what Chanel does. Oh my god, this is what Chanel does. You get the little Chanel stick in there. Let me open it. This is a Chanel t-shirt. No, it's not. It's not pre-printed. Normally has got you know. I know. You ask me, how do I know these things? I'm actually like, so I'm gonna open this because I want to show you guys what I got from Dhgate. Hey. Obviously Chanel won't have sort of appealing stuff going on there. Yeah, so that gives away. Yeah. However, for those who don't know, it's Chanel. It's still Chanel. What? Definitely Chanel with the little lit booklet thing. We have got the ribbons, which is slightly different to Chanel. I mean, sometimes it changes. Silk, it varies, but yeah, this is nice. This is nice and it's worthy. I mean, you know, he's not just like a crappy item. It's cotton and he's in print of Chanel and it has got all these things. The only thing that we don't like is Chanel doesn't like, I won't say we don't like, is obviously Chinese writing. So that completely gives away that obviously Chanel doesn't. It's François is from France. It has got all of these, so you can put on your item if you're reselling them, I think. And you have got all these cards, all these little things in here, you know. Very, very interesting, guys. Has got a bunch of things for you to pretend you're wearing the real thing, okay? No one can come to you and be like, yo, what you're wearing is fake. Let's hope not, based on the item itself. Oh, oh, this got me smiling. My cheeks are hurting. I'm not really good at I got big cheeks. 1 minute outside. Just take this time to subscribe. Just take this time to subscribe. Hey. 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 Yo yota. Hey. 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 What are you saying? Oh Lord Jesus. Oh, well made. Guys, this is fabulous. I can smell the glue. I actually think it's just being made. But, guys, this is a good item. This is well done. Well designed. Just nice. Look at this. Guys, I'm excited. This is nice. This is nice. I'm glad I chose this color too. I am glad I chose this color. Hey. Okay. Oh, I can't even get the hang of things, you know. And it's heavy. It's not flimsy. This is the front. Take your time and subscribe, guys. That's what I'm bringing to you, okay? Look at that. Chanel. Let's go and take a look inside. So, guys, I've removed no one but two tissue, you know, just to form, to give a form to. It has got the Chanel logo there, and it's proper. It's like a cloth, so it's, you know, it's not gonna go anywhere. It's sewn in, okay. I've got long nails, so bear with me trying to and when I popped into the Chanel the head office, I will pop into the boutique and have a look again. And it says here, oh my god, it has got codes in everything, you know. Has got codes in everything. It's giving you the code. It says made in Italy. Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So, and when you guys gonna be walking in the snow or in anywhere that you can put an imprint, people will see that a Chanel girl can pass here, you know. That's what everyone talks about, the imprint of the logo. Guys, this is really nice, well made. Very nice, and I'm glad I chose this color. It's just so nice. I don't see any. Oh, look, Chanel, the Chanel, how much I love Chanel. J'adore Chanel, no j'adore Dior. Oh guys, this is what I've got for you today. Please do not forget to comment, subscribe to my channel. I've got plenty more to come, guys. I tell you, my bedroom is packed up with AliExpress items, literally from blazer to heels to wigs, guys. Plenty. Come back and see me again. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. I hope you guys love this. Comment down below. I don't know if I'm probably gonna sell these to someone and get another pair for myself, but I'll see how it goes. And guys, I'm not gonna leave the link down below because I'm worried about my, you know, YouTube account. However, if you want the link, let me know, and I kindly will give it to you once it's available. Okay, I mean, I'll give it to you if it's still available, of course. Take care, guys. Thank you so much, all my subscribers. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe. Like I keep saying, do it, guys. Let's take this account to at least 1,000. Your girl hasn't got 1,000 yet. Don't ask me why. It's unfair, right? You're gonna help the sister out. Take care, guys. Love you. Mwah. All the best. Bye.